So I have some really exciting news. On October 4th to the 6th, we are holding the first annual All-American High School Film Festival. And we're doing it right here in New York City. You know, there's a McDonald's All-American basketball game, and my question is, why isn't there an All-American High School Film Festival? When I was 16, I was dying for a place to show my short film on a big screen. The best I could do was really, you know, at my house and show it to my parents or friends. It doesn't necessarily cost a lot of money or anything. Submission is free, and all you need to do is go out and do what you always do. Make a short film. Use your phone, or maybe you have a camera, shoot your story, edit it with your friends, and then submit it to us. And if our professional judges like it, then you'll have a chance to show your short film on the big screen here in New York City. The judges are gonna be, you know, the real deal. We got Morgan Spurlock, James Earl Jones, Diablo Cody, and a whole host of professional filmmakers, professional actors, cinematographers. They'll be judging your films. There are tons of different things that you can win. Money for summer film camps, scholarships for colleges, cameras, editing software, you name it. Not only that, but if you win, we'll fly you out to New York City. There's a lot going on over the course of the weekend. We're gonna have an opening gala. We're gonna have panels of professional filmmakers and actors. We're gonna have a technology fair, a college fair, and of course, more than anything, it's gonna be cool. You're gonna be able to show your short films on the big screen. So I hope you think this is cool, but it's really just the landing page. In the next few weeks, this is gonna develop into really a community, a chance for you to show your films and network with other high school students across the country. And don't forget, filmmakers, if you're using music or footage that isn't your own, you gotta get permission from whoever does own it. So this October 4th to the 6th, we're gonna be holding the first ever All-American High School Film Festival. That could be awesome cut. That could be a great cut. Cut now.